it's your girl Natural Beauty 089, and I'm going to share with you how we install Chromosome Twists. So the color I'm going to try out today is the 1B/burgundy. So I'm going to use my latch hook and place that underneath the braid, and then I will take the loop and place it over the hook, close the hook, slide it up, and then I'm going to go ahead and take the end of the twist, put it through the hook again, and then pull it through. I repeated this whole process throughout my head. I wanted to wear this style with a side part, so I just basically emphasized on making sure I had one side more fuller than the other side, and that's pretty much it. This is very fun and easy, so stay tuned for the finished product. For more information on the hair, please read the description box. Everything is listed below. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment sections below and I will get back with you. And as always, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.